Are you okay, Snowy? You gonna make friends? Hi, ladies. What are you doing? Hi. How sweet are you, MJ? Hi, pretty face. Hi, Candy. Oh, she's getting in there. Are you making friends, darling? Hi, Caramello. Are you making friends? Oh. Ginger, this food is for the pigs. We've spoken about your horns. I have a bubble. Stay out of it. Hi, big girls. You've gotten so big. It's like trying to drop off a kid to daycare. She just won't leave my side. Gosh, they're noisy. Hi, sweet boy. Hi. Is that a pelican? What? It is. Oh my God, is he going to land in my dam?